guys, I'm in Mom's home, and then I'm gonna introduce you my cousin. His name is Isha.
Hi.
In school, many boys has a crush on her.
Really, nigga?
Din 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 din.
Isha, what?
Say to them that what do you want them what do you want me what do you want me to play?
I don't know.
I don't know too, but I think I'm gonna what do you think? Start a prank war or not?
Start a prank war.
There's, we're gonna start it now, and by this I'm sorry, this is a short one. Bye.